In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use animation in Adobe Express. We'll walk through how to bring motion to your designs in a way that's simple, clear, and effective. Start by opening Adobe Express on the web or mobile and open an existing design or create a new one. Give yourself a canvas with a few elements, like text and a graphic, so you can see how different motions play together. Next, click or tap to select the element you want to animate. This can be text, a shape, a photo, or even a video. With the element selected, look for the animation option in the editor. On the web, you'll find it on the left-hand panel. On mobile, it may appear along the bottom toolbar. If you want a quick, cohesive look across your entire composition, choose Animate All to apply an animation to every element at once. Now choose the animation type. There are three main categories. In animations, control how elements enter the scene, like a fade in for a gentle reveal or a slide in for added momentum. Looping animations keep elements moving continuously, such as a subtle bounce or a wiggle that draws the eye without being distracting. Out animations handle how elements exit, like a fade out or a move out that clears the stage for what comes next. Think of in and out as your storytelling transitions, and looping as the accent that keeps attention alive. After you pick a type, fine-tune the behavior. You can blend different effect categories, visibility, move, and scale, to get the exact motion you want. Then adjust intensity to control how strong the effect feels, speed to set how fast it plays, direction to define where it comes from or goes, and personality for style variations that change the character of the motion. For entrances, you can enable Start Outside Page so the element begins off-screen and travels into view. For exits, End Outside Page makes the animation complete off-frame, which feels clean and intentional. When your settings look good, hit play or preview to watch your animation in context. Pay attention to pacing. If the motion competes with your message, reduce the intensity or speed. If it feels too subtle, nudge it up. For a polished result, keep motions consistent across related elements and use more dramatic effects only for moments that truly need emphasis. That's it. Open your design, enter animation, choose a type, customize it, and preview until it feels just right.